Do you experience any of these problems at your warehouse? Having no clue on how to arrange goods upon arrival? Random stocks at random location, making it harder to access any of them? Unable to fully maximize usage of the space you have? Too much of expired or untraceable lost stocks? Always having the different stock take result and not accurate? All of these troubles are familiar to you? If your answer is yes, then we are here to help you do it better. We provide a system that is able to keep track of daily stock take, making sure everything is accurate and easy. Our system also includes physical check differences, prevents stock shortages, and short over ratio. Our system will ensure that your warehouse operation will be more efficient, accurate, and maximize your ROI. Because our system also ensures decreasing labor cost, on-time delivery, no customer complaints, increased turnover cycle, minimize losses and damage. With over 30 years of experience, we're certain that we'll be able to help fix your problems as well as increase your KPI.